Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Ford Excursion XLT. This four-door SUV has a 10-cylinder, 6.8-liter V10 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 106,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.